In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze CSV data with NotebookLM. We'll take a simple CSV file and use NotebookLM to explore it quickly, ask questions in plain language, and pull out insights without writing code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your data in and start analyzing right away. First, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. In the results, look for the official Google NotebookLM page. Open it, and on the landing screen, choose Try NotebookLM. If you see a prompt, make sure you're signed into your Google account so your notebooks can be saved. This takes you into the NotebookLM workspace where everything you add and explore will live in a notebook. Next, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Creating a fresh notebook is a great way to keep a single CSV and its findings neatly together. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to analyze multiple data sets. Inside the notebook, click Add Sources, then choose Upload Files. Select your CSV file from your computer and click Open. NotebookLM will ingest it and prepare it for questions. A quick tip here. Make sure your CSV has column headers in the first row, uses a standard comma or consistent delimiter, and is saved in a common encoding like UTF-8. Clean headers and consistent formatting help NotebookLM understand your fields so it can reference them accurately. Also, avoid uploading data that contains sensitive personal information. Anonymize or remove anything confidential before you proceed. Once the upload finishes, you can start analyzing right away. In the chat panel, ask natural questions about your data. For example, request a summary of the columns, ask for basic statistics like averages or totals, or filter for records that match certain criteria. Reference your column names directly to get precise answers, such as show the top values by revenue or find outliers in the quantity field. You can ask follow-up questions to refine results, compare groups, or spot trends over time if you have a date column. If something looks surprising, ask NotebookLM to explain how it arrived at a number or to show example rows that support the finding. Keep iterating. Start broad, then zoom in on interesting segments. That's it. You searched for NotebookLM, opened it, created or opened a notebook, added your CSV as a source, and began exploring your data conversationally. Try it with your own data set and build on your questions until you have clear, actionable insights.